KTM 1290 Super Duke and mixed with it, but never a normal street rock. Queen of superbikes. She has a crazy collection of really powerful bikes, and she will take me around some beautiful streets so we can test the Super Duke. So let's go.
Thank you. We are in the English countryside.
With me, brand new.
On the H2 because it's got 268 at the wheel. Dang! So best chance.
Barely keeping up with you.
Like the torque and the power of the Super Duke is so road friendly, more so than any average sport bike on the road, because there's torque in every gear and throughout the whole,
Out of every corner,
yes.
Easily, right?
Yeah, yeah, I did feel that approaching corners, coming out of corners, and also the gearbox is so smooth with the auto blipper and the upshift, the quick shift.